Despite the historic turnout and an equally historic result, the seat at the helms of power in the national capital still stands vacant, unclaimed by those who were chosen by the people of Delhi.
Well, neither the BJP nor the Aam Aadmi Party has the numbers that it needs to form the government, and yet neither is willing to work with the other. So in this fight for public image and political ideologies, Delhi stares at a minority government or fresh elections.
After the ballot battle, now they are fighting for their image, and neither is willing to blink. The BJP is inches away from halfway mark, but the fight to finish line is getting tougher for Harshvardhan.
इसलिए स्वाभाविक है कि हम सरकार बनाने की पहल नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Amidst hectic meetings, the debutant Aam Aadmi Party has for now adopted a strategy to refrain from any alliance and is ready to sit in the opposition.
दिल्ली के लोगों को बीजेपी को बोलना चाहिए भी सरकार बनाओ, बीजेपी कांग्रेस वाले मिलकर सरकार बनाओ. और आम आदमी पार्टी पिछले 1 साल से विपक्ष की भूमिका सड़क पे कर रही थी, अब अंदर जाके इनकी विपक्ष की भूमिका करेगी.
The decision that could be taken by the government for national capital ahead of Lok Sabha elections. Would there be a hung assembly, or perhaps would there be a minority government?
But with Delhi staring at a possibility of a re-election, there is a strong voice that wants the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party to join hands.
I think they're looking at both similar solutions. They could be, so why could they not sit down together and explore an option of a common minimum program?
For Congress, which is reeling under heavy losses, the option of a re-election could bring in some optimism.
The Aam Aadmi has categorically said, to the best of my knowledge, that they don't want to support anybody, nor do they require anybody's support.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi categorically, specifically yesterday said, was of a great encouragement to the entire party cadre and also reflected the way Congress is going to look at its policies, perceptions again.
With Delhi still waiting for a new government, options for the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party are very limited, and the time is running out. The question remains if the BJP will be able to pull a surprise, or will there be re-elections? Bureau Report, Times Now.